Welcome to VLearn Virtual Learning Network. This is session number 9 of company law and the topic is allotment of shares. Topics to be covered are allotment of shares, notice of allotment, rules regarding allotment of shares, procedure of allotment, irregular allotment, consequences of irregular allotment, issue of shares at discount, issue of shares at premium, share certificate, share warrants. Allotment of shares. The term allotment has nowhere defined in the Companies Act. जो term allotment है वो हमारे Companies Act में कहीं भी define नहीं करी गई है. Allotment is an inappropriation by the board of directors of certain number of shares to a specified person in response to his application. Allotment जो होती है वो board of directors के द्वारा करी जाती है. वो ही decide करते हैं कि किस applicant को कितने shares provide किए जाएं. Notice of allotment. An allotment is the acceptance of an offer to take shares by an applicant. जो allotment होती है वो एक तरह से acceptance होती है offer की and it must be communicated. Acceptance हमेशा दोनों तरफ से होती है और acceptance हमेशा communicated होती है. अगर आप एक्सेप्टेंस में एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट नहीं करते हो या दोनों पार्टीज आपस में कम्युनिकेट नहीं करती हैं, इट मीन्स वहाँ पे एक्सेप्टेंस नहीं है. देयर कैन बी नो बाइंडिंग कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अनलेस द एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ द ऑफर इज प्रॉपरली कम्युनिकेटेड एंड नोटिस ऑफ अलॉटमेंट मस्ट बी गिवन टू द अलॉटी. इफ लेटर ऑफ अलॉटमेंट इज प्रॉपरली पोस्टेड, दैट इज it is correctly addressed and stamped, a contract will arise even the letter of allotment is delayed or lost in the course of transit. Rules regarding allotment of shares. The rules regarding allotment of shares can be discussed under the two broad headlines. जो रूल्स हैं रिगार्डिंग अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स उसको टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. फर्स्ट इज़ जनरल रूल्स एंड सेकंड इज़ लीगल रूल्स. जनरल रूल्स, फर्स्ट वन इज़ द अलॉटमेंट मस्ट बी मेड बाय प्रॉपर अथॉरिटी. इट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स टू अलॉट द शेयर्स. द बोर्ड में delegate this authority to some other person or persons as per the provision of article of association. ये जो ड्यूटी होती है बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स की होती है और बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स चाहे तो ये ड्यूटी किसी और पर्सनस को दे सकता है, पर्सन या पर्सनस को दे सकता है अकॉर्डिंग टू आर्टिकल ऑफ एसोसिएशन. अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स मेड बाय एन इन प्रॉपर अथॉरिटी विल मेक इट वॉइड. अगर किसी इम्प्रॉपर अथॉरिटी के द्वारा आपके शेयर्स अलॉट किए जाते हैं तो हम उसे वॉइड मानते हैं. सेकेंड, अलॉटमेंट शुड बी मेड विद इन अ रीजनेबल टाइम. The offer to purchase shares of the company must be accepted within a reasonable time. Otherwise, the applicants may refuse to take shares because after a reasonable time, the offer lapses. What is a reasonable time is a question of facts in each case. Third, it must be communicated. The allotment of shares should be communicated to the applicants. Posting a properly addressed and stamped letter of allotment will be taken as a valid communication. Even if this letter of allotment is delayed or lost in transit, the allottee will be liable. It must be absolute and unconditional. The allotment of shares must conform to the terms and conditions of the applications. जो allotment of shares होती है confirm की जाती हैं conditions और terms से. If the allotment is not according to the terms and conditions, अगर allotment terms and condition के according नहीं की गई, then the applicant may refuse to accept the shares even though allotment has been made to him. तब एप्लीकेंट जो होता है वो रिफ्यूज़ कर सकता है शेयर्स एक्सेप्ट करने. इफ़ द कंडीशन आर नॉट फुलफिल्ड, द एप्लीकेंट मस्ट रिजेक्ट द शेयर्स प्रॉम्प्टली. हिज साइलेंस और एक्सेप्टेंस विल डिबार हिम फ्रॉम दिस राइट. Last, allotment against applications. Legal rules. Legal rules are generally divided into two parts. First one is when there is no public offer is made. When a public company does not offer its shares to the public, जब कोई पब्लिक कंपनी अपने शेयर्स ऑफ़र नहीं करती पब्लिक को बट अरेंज द कैपिटल प्राइवेटली और अपनी कैपिटल खुद प्राइवेटली अरेंज कर लेती है, then the company cannot proceed with the allotment unless it files with the registrar of companies at least 3 days before the first allotment. When an offer is made to the public, जब ऑफर पब्लिक के लिए खुला होता है तब first is prospectus. A prospectus must be issued and a copy of the same should be filled with the registrar. You should note that the company cannot allot the shares immediately after issuing the prospectus. कंपनी जो होती है शेयर्स को अलॉट नहीं कर सकती आफ्टर इमीडिएटली इशूइंग द प्रोस्पेक्टस. इन दोनों के बीच में थोड़ा सा टाइम गैप होना चाहिए. नो अलॉटमेंट कैन बी मेड अंटिल द बिगनिंग ऑफ द 5th day from the date of issue of prospectus. The 5th day is to be counted from the date of issue of prospectus was published or was otherwise notified to the public. Second, minimum subscription. No company can proceed to allot shares to the public until the minimum subscription, which is 90% the issue amount, has been subscribed and the sum payable on applications for it has been received by the company in cash. If the company does not receive the minimum subscription of 90% of the issue amount, the entire subscription will be refunded to the applicants within 90 days from the date of closure of the issue. Application money. It is the amount which is payable on each share along with the application for purchase of shares. The amount payable on application on each share shall not be less than 5% of the nominal amount of the shares. Application money to be deposited in the scheduled bank. All the money received from applicants must be deposited in the scheduled bank and it shall remain there until the certificate of commence business is received. Allotment of shares to dealt in on stock exchange. According to Section 73 first of the Companies Act, every company intending to offer shares to the public for subscription by the issue of a prospectus before such issue make an application to one or more recognized stock exchange for permission for the shares to be dealt with in the stock exchange. Procedure of allotment. When the company receives from bankers all the share applications, a share application list is prepared. जब कंपनी सारे शेयर एप्लीकेशंस रिसीव कर लेती है उसके बाद शेयर एप्लीकेशन लिस्ट प्रिपेयर की जाती है. ओनली द नेम ऑफ सच एप्लीकेंट्स शुड बी रिकॉर्डेड हु हैव पेड द एप्लीकेशन मनी. सिर्फ उन्हीं एप्लीकेंट्स के नाम लिखे जाते हैं इन लिस्ट में जिन्होंने एप्लीकेशन मनी पे की होती है. बिकॉज एन एप्लीकेशन विदाउट एप्लीकेशन मनी इज़ वॉइड. क्योंकि कोई भी एप्लीकेशन मनी के बिना वॉइड मानी जाती है. The directors will see that all the legal rules regarding allotment have been complied with. Then they will proceed with the allotment of shares. जो directors होते हैं वो देखते हैं legal rules को जो allotment of shares के टाइम पे देखे जाते हैं कि जो आपके allotment हुई है shares की वो according to the legal rules हुई है या नहीं. अगर वो legal rules के according हुई है then वो proceed further करते हैं. Procedure of allotment. If the issue has been fully subscribed, then there is no problem in allotment. The directors can allot to each applicant the number of shares asked for. In case of oversubscription, the applicants will have to be allotted less number of shares than applied for. It is known as partial allotment. In case of oversubscription, अगर हम oversubscription की बात करें, the shares are allotted either by draw or lot, that is lottery. जो shares होते हैं वो या तो ड्रॉ से अलॉट किए जाते हैं या लॉटरी से, और ऑन प्रो राटा बेसिस या प्रो राटा बेसिस पे, दैट इज़ बाय अलॉटिंग शेयर्स टू ईच एप्लीकेंट्स इन अ प्रोपोर्शन टू द नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स अप्लाइड फॉर. In order to ensure that an applicant may not refuse to accept a smaller number than applied for, the application form usually contains a clause saying, we agree to accept such shares or any smaller number that may be allotted to me or us. When lesser number of shares are allotted to an applicant, जब कम नंबर के शेयर्स मीन्स कम शेयर्स अलॉट किए जाते हैं एप्लीकेंट को, द एक्सेस एप्लीकेशन ऑन मनी इज़ नॉट रिफंडेड टू हिम बट इट इज़ ट्रांसफर टू हिज अलॉटमेंट अमाउंट. उस टाइम जो उसकी एप्लीकेशन मनी होती है एक्स्ट्रा, वो उसे रिफ़ंड नहीं की जाती बल्कि वो ट्रांसफ़र कर दी जाती है अलॉटमेंट अमाउंट की तरफ एंड एडजस्ट अगेंस्ट द अलॉटमेंट मनी ड्यू फ्रॉम हिम. इन केस ऑफ अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन में द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर हैज़ ओनली टू एंश्योर दैट द मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन हैज़ बिन रिसीव्ड. जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स हैं उन्हें सिर्फ यही एंश्योर करना पड़ता है कि उन्होंने जितना मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन रखा है वो उन्हें रिसीव हुआ है या नहीं. देन दे कैन प्रोसीड विद द अलॉटमेंट वर्क. अगर वो रिसीव हो गया है जितना उन्होंने मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन रखा है तो वो फर्दर प्रोसीड करते हैं अलॉटमेंट ऑफ शेयर्स की तरफ. Irregular allotment. An allotment of shares shall be termed irregular if it is made without fulfilling the condition to a regular allotment. जो allotment of shares होते हैं उसे हम तब irregular कहते हैं जब वो without condition होते हैं, means according to terms and condition नहीं हुए होते. The allotment of shares is irregular in the following cases. In cases में allotment of shares irregular माना जाता है. First, where an allotment is made without receiving the minimum subscription. जहाँ पे allotment तो कर दी जाती है but minimum subscription नहीं complete होता. Where an allotment is made without receiving at least 5% of the nominal value of the shares as application money. Where an allotment is made without depositing the application money in the scheduled bank. In the case of a company which does not invite public to subscribe its shares, if the allotment is made without filling with the registrar the statement in lieu of prospectus at least 3 days before the first allotment of shares, where the allotment is made before the expiry of the 5th day after the date of issue of the prospectus, where the company fails to apply for listing of its shares in one or more recognized stock exchange before the 10th day after the first issue of prospectus, or where such permission has been applied for before that day but the permission has not been granted by the stock exchange before the expiry of 10 weeks from the date of the closing of the subscription list. Consequences of irregular allotments. First, voidable at the option of the allottee. This right should be exercised by the allottee within 2 months after the holding of the statutory meeting by the company, or where the company is not required to hold a statutory meeting, or where the allotment is made after the holding of the statutory meeting within 2 months after the date of allotment. It is not necessary that the allottee must commence legal proceedings within the said period. What is required is that he must give a notice to the company of his intention to avoid the allotment. Second, fine. Where time limit regarding the opening of the subscription list is not observed, The allotment remains valid, but the company and every officer who is in default are liable to a fine up to rupees 5,000 each. Allotment is void if the application for listing of shares has not been made on such a request for permission of shares to be dealt in the stock exchange has not been granted within the prescribed time. The allotment shall be void. Directors' liability. The directors of the company who are responsible for irregular allotment are liable to compensate the company and the allottee for any loss, damages, or costs suffered or incurred by them. However, the action to recover such loss or damage or cost must be started within 2 years of allotment. Issue of shares at discount. Section 79 of the Companies Act provides that a company may issue shares at a discount if the following conditions are satisfied. First, the shares offered at a discount must be of a class already issued. That is, the first issue cannot be at a discount. जो शेयर्स होते हैं तभी डिस्काउंट पे इशू किए जाते हैं जब जो पहले उसको खरीदने वाले होते हैं उनको डिस्काउंट पे नहीं दिए जाते. At least 1 year must have elapsed since the company became entitled to commence issue. It means that in the first year of its working, shares cannot be issued at a discount. The issue must be authorized by an ordinary resolution passed in the general meeting of the company, and this must be confirmed by the company law board. The resolution must specify the maximum rate of discount, which is no class shall exceed 10%. However, a higher rate of discount may be allowed if the company law board agrees to a higher rate. The shares must be issued within 2 months after receiving the sanction of the company law board or within such extended time as the company law board may allow. Every prospectus shall contain particulars of the discount allowed on the issue of shares or so much of that discount as has not been written off on the date of issue of the prospectus. Issue of shares at premium. There can be cases when the company may issue shares at price higher than the face value of the shares. This is termed as issuing the shares at premium. Example, when a share of rupees 10 each is issued at rupees 12 per share. It is an issue at a premium, the amount premium being rupees 2 per share. There is no restriction on the issue of shares at a premium. If the company's reputation is good, then SIX can sell shares at a premium. The premium amount cannot be treated as profit. जो premium amount होता है उसको हम profit consider नहीं करते and as such it cannot be used for paying dividends और ना ही हम उसको dividend के रूप में pay कर सकते हैं. The premium amount must be transferred to a separate amount known as a share premium account. जो premium का amount होता है वो transfer कर दिया जाता है separate account में जिसे हम share premium account कहते हैं. The shares are issued at a premium for consideration other than cash. An amount equal to the amount of premium must be transferred to share premium account. The amount of share premium account can be used only for the purpose specified under Section 78 of the Act. These purposes are: first, issue of fully paid bonus shares to the member of the company, writing of the preliminary expenses of the company, writing of the expenses, commission paid or discount. Share certificate. A share certificate is a certificate issued by the company under its common seal specifying the shares held by any member and the amount paid on each share. A share certificate is an evidence of title of the allottee or transferee to the shares. It is a declaration that the person in whose name the certificate is made out and to whom it is given is the shareholder in the company. Share warrants. Share warrants is a bearer document of title to the specified shares. Share warrants is a document issued under the common seal of the company stating that the bearer is entitled to the specified number of shares. Rules regarding share warrants. If it is authorized by its article, shares are fully paid up. Previous approval of the central government is obtained. Now there are some questions on the basis of the session. First one is what is mean by allotment of shares? Allotment of shares से आप क्या समझते हैं? What is irregular allotment? Irregular allotment क्या होती है? Thank you. Happy learning. We learning.